Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Introducing the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop. The perfect blend of power, performance, and affordability. With its stunning 15.6-inch FHD display and the latest AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, this laptop beats the competition, ensuring you get the performance you need for your everyday tasks. Say goodbye to interruptions with its long-lasting battery life. Whether you're working on a project, streaming your favorite shows, or video calling your loved ones, the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop has got you covered. Connectivity is never an issue with its versatile USB-C port. Easily connect all your peripherals and accessories for a seamless workflow. Stay connected with colleagues, friends, and family with the built-in webcam. Crystal clear video calls are just a click away. Want to enjoy your favorite content on a bigger screen? Simply connect your laptop to a TV or monitor using the HDMI port. Experience lightning-fast internet speeds with Wi-Fi 6 and stay connected wherever you go. Plus, with Bluetooth capabilities, you can easily pair your favorite wireless devices. But wait, there's more! When you purchase the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop, you'll also receive the WOWPC bundle, packed with essential accessories to enhance your productivity. So why wait? Upgrade to the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop and unleash your full potential today. Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop, power your productivity. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your productivity with the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop. Get yours now. Click the link in the description to order yours today.